So we'll continue with that chapter. We go to exercise 2.3. The first question says solve and check your answer. The first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So bring this positive 2x to your left, so it becomes minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x becomes 18, so x becomes 18. Now we are going to, so you have got the solution as x is equal to 18. Now we are going to check your solution. So you have to find the value of LHS and RHS separately and check whether they are equal. In the case of LHS, it is given as 3x. So 3 into x, that is 18. So 3 into 18 gives me 54. On my RHS, it is 2x plus 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18. So it becomes 36 plus 18, that is equal to 54. So your LHS and RHS are equal, so you can claim that you have checked the answer. Now the sixth question goes like this. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So on your right you are supposed to expand the bracket. So 3 into x, that is 3x, 3 into minus 1, that gives me minus 3 plus 7. So on your left it is 8x plus 4, on your right it is 3x plus 4. So bring this 3x to that side, so it will become 8x minus 3x, and this plus 4 to this side, this will become minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4, which is 0. So 8x minus 3x is 5x, so 5x becomes 0. So 5x is 0, therefore x becomes 0. Now we go for our checking. On our LHS we have 8x plus 4. So put the value of x as 0 in this LHS. So it becomes 8 into 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4, that gives me 4. On my right I have 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. So it becomes 3 into 0, that is 0. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7, that goes around 4. See, your RHS and LHS are 4, so you are verified. Now we go to the seventh question. It is given as x is equal to 4 by 5 times of x plus 10. See, the 5 over on your right is a division 5. When it crosses the equal to sign, it will become a multiplication 5. So it becomes 5x is equal to 4 times of x plus 10. So expand the bracket, so it is 4 into x plus 4 into 10, that becomes 40. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. So bring this plus 4x to that side, so it will become minus 4x. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So x becomes 40. We continue with that. So LHS, we are going to find the value. So LHS is given as x. So x is equal to 40. Now for your RHS, it is 4 by 5 times of x plus 10. In the place of x you put 40. So it becomes 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. So it becomes 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10, that becomes 50. So you can reduce 5 and 50 by 10 times. So it becomes 4 into 10, that becomes 40. See, your LHS and RHS, they are one and the same. So you have checked. Now we go to the eighth question. The eighth question goes like this. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So you bring your 7x by 15 to that side. So it will become negative 7x by 15. This plus 1, when it comes this side, it will become minus 1. So for 3 and 15, I take 15 as my LCM. So there are 5 3's in 15. So 2 into 5, that becomes 10x. Minus, there are 115 and 15. So 1 into 7x gives me 7x. That is equal to 2. So 3x by 15 is 2. So 3 by 15 into x, that is equal to 2. Right. So x will be 2 into 15 by 3. So it becomes, we can reduce 3 and 15 by 5. So it becomes 2 into 5, that becomes 10. See, that 3 by 15, when it transforms to its right, it becomes 15 by 3. That's why this goes like this. 3 by 15 of x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 into 15 by 3, right? So we get the answer as 10. So we go for our LHS. LHS is given as 2x by 3 plus 10. So in the place of x, I need to put 10. So it is 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. So it becomes 20 by 3 plus 1. Take LCM for 3 and 1, it becomes 3. So it becomes 20 plus 3, that becomes 23 by 3. On my right I have 7x by 15 plus 3. So in the place of x I have to put 10. So it becomes 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. So it becomes 70 by 15 plus 3 by 1. So we take for 1 and 15, 15 as our LCM. So it becomes, there are 15, 115 and 15, so 1 into 70, that becomes 70. Plus there are 15 ones in 15, so 3 into 15, that gives me 45. So when you add 70 plus 45, you will get 115 by 15. So you can reduce that by 5. So 5 23s makes 15 and 5 3s makes 15. 5 23s makes 115 and 5 3s makes 15. So it becomes 23 by 3. Now the ninth question is this: 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So you bring this y to that side. The negative y, when it crosses the equal to sign, it will become a positive y. So 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3. This plus 5 by 3, when it comes over here, it will become minus 5 by 3. So add it up, 3y is equal to, we have the same denominator, so 26 minus 5 gives me 21 by 3. So 3y is 21 by 3. So we can reduce this, 3 and 7, 21, so it becomes 7. So 3y becomes 7. So our y becomes 7 by 3. Now we go for our checking part. LHS. LHS is given as 2y plus 5 by 3. In place of y, I need to put 7 by 3. So 2 times of 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So 2 into 7 gives me 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. We have the same LCM, add the numerators, 14 plus 5 gives me 19, so it becomes 19 by 3. In the case of RHS, it is 26 by 3 minus 5. So in the place of y, I need to put 7 by 3. So 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So it becomes 19 by 3. CR, LHS and RHS, they are one and the same. So you are verified.